Hey everyone, this is EJ from Terms Now, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Terms Now cookie consent and banner creator. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to cookies.termsnow.com, and once you get there, it should look something like this. You start out by putting in your website URL that you want to do a cookie scan on. So for this example, we are just going to use Wikipedia, but you can run a scan on any of the URLs you have. So, all right, we're gonna hit scan now. All right, now we're taken to the design your banner page, and the first option you're going to see up here is what do you want your banner to look like. Currently, there's two options. The first is this small banner that we see a lot that goes across the bottom of the screen, and the second option is this small modal that is on the right-hand side of the screen. So for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to just go ahead and select this first one. Then you're going to come down here and see the color section. Here you're able to choose what colors that you want for the background, text, button backgrounds, and button text. I'm going to leave them as they are right now, but you can go ahead and choose whatever you'd like there. So the next thing that it's asking is questions related directly to how you use information. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and select yes on both of these, but you'll want to answer these as it applies to your website. And the last part is the consent section, and the consent settings determine how consent is given to download cookies to your computer. By default, users from the EU, they have cookies blocked until they click accept. And by EU, I mean the European Union. So the consent section really lets you determine how non-EU users will be treated. And the first option here, it implies consent when a user scrolls down on the page. And again, this is for non-EU users, so people from the US and everywhere else in the world. And then second option requires both US and EU users, so really all users, to have to click accept in order to use the website and download those cookies. All right, so let's go to the next section. Actually, I'm going to choose this and then we'll go. All right, so this section here asks about some basic business information, basically so it can populate your policy. So let's just make a test company here and call it Test Company Inc. And let's do testco@example.com. We'll do a random phone number, and 123 any street. And for the country, we'll put USA. I'm in Austin, so we'll go ahead and use Austin here. And oops, that's the state. All right, so we'll go ahead and click next. This custom banner section is where you get to determine what actually shows up on the banner. So if we hit this preview button here, we can see exactly what this cookie banner is going to look like. This default text is included on every single banner, but if you'd like to change it, this is where you do that. So you just kind of go in here and I can say, here is mine. As you can see, it's changing on the bottom policy. All right, so we'll just go ahead and get rid of that. The second option is to add a link. So if you'd also like to link to your privacy policy, you just have to fill this in. So for example, if we did Terms Now, oops, just /privacy, and we'll call this privacy policy. As you can see down here, now we have a nice privacy policy link. So I'm actually going to deselect this for right now, but that's where you go ahead and add a custom link to your policy. So the next section is where we get to actually preview the cookie policy. As you can see, it's imported our company name here and has listed out all of the cookies that it found on the website. So this is the part of the system that has actually gone out and scanned your website. So if we're happy with that, we'll click next, and now it's time to choose or create an account. And we'll keep that. And then we'll go ahead and get offers, agree to the terms, and submit. All right, now this is the section where you get your custom embed code. So you basically click on this, it'll go ahead and copy that to your clipboard, and then you head on over to your website and you want to copy and paste and put this in the head section of your website. Once you do that and save your changes, you will have a fully functioning cookie policy and cookie banner on your website. So once you're done doing this, you can head over here to the dashboard, and now you're able to view your exact policies that you have, view the code that you need to embed, edit your settings, and also if you'd like to delete it, you can delete it here. You can also create as many banners as you like. It's completely free right now. And thanks for watching.